Welcome to Grapt TV Photoshop. Ready to turn your text into a sparkling masterpiece? Today, I'm going to show you how to create stunning glittery glass text that will make your designs shine. Stay tuned, and let's dive into this magical transformation. First things first, grab your glitter texture, create a new layer, and name it glitter. Next, we'll set up our background. Add a new layer below the glitter layer. For now, hide this layer by clicking the eye icon. Select the gradient tool and make sure you've chosen the black to white gradient. Click the gradient box, and in the gradient editor, adjust the colors. Set the left stop to a specific color and the right stop to black. Apply this gradient from the bottom to the top to give our background a sleek, glassy finish. Now, make your glitter layer visible again. Select the type tool, pick a font. I'm using Frankfurter Medium. Set the text color to black and type your message. Center it on the canvas and adjust the size until it looks just right. Time to add some sparkle. Make a selection around your text, then click on the glitter layer and add a layer mask. Next, make the text layer active and reduce its fill to 0%. Add a bevel and emboss effect to your text. Set the style to outer bevel, adjust the depth and size, and tweak the angle for a realistic glass effect. Finally, let's enhance our creation. Make a composite snapshot by pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus Alt plus E, Command plus Shift plus Option plus E on a Mac. Adjust the brightness and colors using levels and hue saturation to make your text truly pop. For a finishing touch, we'll create a reflection. Duplicate your text layer, flip it vertically, and position it just below the original text. Lower the opacity to 20% and use the blur tool to soften the lower half for a smooth, reflective look. And there you have it, glittering glass text that will dazzle and impress. If you enjoyed this tutorial, hit that like button, subscribe for more creative tips, and drop a comment on what you'd like to see next. Thanks for joining us on Grapt TV Photoshop.